my birthday! I feel so happy today! It is my birthday party day! I am very excited now! Wow! Look at the living room! Everything looks so beautiful tonight. Good morning, Tom, and happy birthday to you. Thank you, Mom. I cannot wait for my birthday party.
Tom, I need to go to work for an emergency now.
Dad, do you really need to go today?
Yes, it is not planned, but I must handle this problem. I will try to come back as soon as possible.
Enjoy your birthday party first. Dad will return soon.
Okay, Dad. Please come back early tonight.
Your friends will arrive soon, so please get ready.
I hear voices outside. My friends are here. I am coming. Please wait a second. Wow, the room looks even better now. We are really excited to be here. Welcome to my birthday party. Please enjoy the snacks. Happy birthday, Tom! Thank you, everyone. Welcome to my party. This party feels fun already.
Happy birthday, Tom! It is time for the cake now.
Wow, the cake looks so delicious tonight. But Dad is still not here. Mom, when will Dad come back home?
He is busy right now, but he will come back soon.
Dad forgot my birthday today.
Tom, please do not feel so sad right now. We can still enjoy the party together.
Can we continue the party and eat the cake now? I am really hungry and want some cake. You only think about yourself right now. You gain to want then. Just do whatever you want then. I am just hungry. Why did you yell at me?
Tom, you were rude to your friend just now. Please say sorry to him right away.
It is okay. I know he feels upset. Yes, he did not mean to hurt us.
Tom, saying those words to friends is not nice.
I do not want to say sorry now. Please leave me alone for a while. It is very quiet now. We feel very upset right now.
I am very sorry about Tom's behavior tonight. After he calms down, he will apologize to you.
Dad Dad does not love me anymore. He is not here on my birthday. Oh, there are videos from my past birthdays. Let me watch them again.
Happy birthday, Tom. We love you very much.
I love my family so much. Dad has always loved me. I was wrong about everything today. I hurt my friends' feelings badly. I need to apologize to them soon. I just wanted to say I'm really sorry. I didn't mean for things to get so complicated. Can we still be friends? I understand my mistake now. It is okay, Tom. We forgive you.
Please make sure this will not happen again. Tomorrow, you still need to say sorry again.
I will do that, Mom.
Let us light the candles now. I will place them first.
I wish my whole family is together right now.
I am home now. I am very sorry for being late.
Wait, that sounds like Dad at the door. Dad, you are back. I really missed you.
Happy birthday to our Tom.
Will he still be mad at us? I do not know. Maybe he is tired. Welcome back, my friends. I am sorry about yesterday. I was rude. It is okay, Tom. We forgive you. Now we can eat and play together. This will be so much fun. I feel so excited again.
You apologized to your friends. Good job, Tom.
Thank you, everyone, for staying with me.
Now let us enjoy the party together.
Yay! Whoa! The food is great, but the cake is best.
I am very proud of you, Tom, for apologizing.
Thank you, Dad.